Nah, here's my job here. It's a Monday job, but I thought I'd be here. Yes, I'll take all this down. Yeah, and then it wraps around just around to the side as well. You know, at the end of the day, bro, it's the choices, you know, that you make as a person, as an individual, bro. You know, if you want to make it in this game, you can't fuck around, bro. You got to be on target all the time, bro. You know, you got to try and manage ways to keep you ahead of your work. That's how you do it. It's strategy. Get that hoist to the top. Push that bottom out and go top. Automatically sit down. That's all that you want, bro. Probably go. Yeah, probably to the top, bro. Probably like that. Also gotta look at, you know, I can't realistically, it's not my job to unmask that hoist. That, you know, you better off using a screw ratchet, you know, an electric ratchet for that, because I'm not gonna waste my time taking that, because it'll be freestanding once I'm stripped everything. That's my only issue, you know. Basically that's the view from here, and this is the deck. Guys that built it did not too bad because it's not moving, you know, or anything, and it's probably just for this. Like realistically, you know, at this height or anything over 2 meters, it should be where, like, you know, realistically, you know, if we're working at these heights, that's pretty high, eh? That's a deadly fallback. I should be wearing harnesses. You know, you can't just get up here and then think you know what you're doing, you know. One little mistake, bro, that's all it takes, bro. You've got to be very careful at all times, you know. Yeah, so what I'm more or less saying is, most of these hoists are capable of holding between 300 and 500 kilograms of weight, but never take advantage of that fact, bro. Always load them to a safe bearing weight, bro. I'll point out a few issues before I get into it. There's another, bro. You should not put the hoist control button switch here, bro. See, because it's basically straight underneath that. If that drops this way, I've seen it happen before, bro. It'll kill someone. Should be over there. The only reason why I bring it up these issues is because I've been through it, I've experienced it. I've been in a hoist where it's just dropped while I've actually been inside it, so you can't really walk inside them. It's very dangerous and unpredictable, especially the old wired ones, you know. Now you see what I mean, eh? See, I've done the top, that's ready to come down, and then take the seals off from the left. See what I mean? As soon as I took that tyre out, we're going for, you know, for a boat ride. You know, I feel a little bit sketchy up here. Even that guy told me that. I said, nah, this is all good, bro, I've got it. Just gotta know what you're doing. Yeah, this is pretty much how you sort of organise and stack your hoist. You know, just chuck everything in there like a pile of shit. You know, you make sure you stack it accordingly, so that when it comes down safe, nothing drops as it comes down. I'll show you what I'm doing right now, and you'll see what I mean, bro. See, like, nothing's gonna fall out because I've double checked it, bro. I made sure that everything is stacked correctly. See, that thing's in the wrong place, it should have a hoist guard at the bottom as well. Yeah, that's the first step done. You know, I've organised my stacks where I want my gear stacked. You know, and it's all about strategy and how you stack things, bro. It's not just about just fucking putting it on the pile, bro, you know. I've got to go give you a spanner because I keep giving my tools out. And so what I mean by, you know, handy tools and shit out, bro. I've had the countless tools out, bro, and cuts loose all my shit. I might have to go Bunnings, bro, go get a spanner, bro, to get these hoistings down. So what we got here is the top section of the mast. So there's 6 screws per mast that have to be taken down as I go level by level, so I might have to give you a spanner. That goes Bunnings. Alright, so that's a hoist stopper, which is telling the hoist that's where it has to stop. otherwise it'll keep going. If only the scaffolding industry was like this every day where you can go through hourly charges. But here, that's what I mean. See how the other day I was talking about toppers? It's for your final lift. Well, those are spigots. The top part of different variations of this, but yeah, this is a hoist slide gate. It's a sliding one. Fuck, these things are deadly, bro. You know, if you don't know what they're about, you're more than likely to chop your finger off. I'm serious. I'll show you what I mean, bro. Look, watch this. See what's this. See, bro, you know why I have to fucking do that is stand away from it. Hey? Yeah, so these are your quick stage modular steels. These are 2.4 meters of them. They average between 18 and 20 plus kgs, a lot of them, but some of these are like 25, bro, because you know all the extra stuff on them. Of these, how heavy these fucking steels get. It's not like your standard commercial one where they're all clean and fancy. These ones have got fucking solid concrete on them, bro. That's probably about, I'd say easy 23, 24 kg. Here's just another quick example. You have to, sometimes you're having to force these standards, these stars, just to get them out of the spigot. So you know, that's another thing to deal with. The whole day just to sort of, you know, go show you fellas a few more things. But this is only a little bit of knowledge, mate. This is not much, you know. These are all just basic importance. When you put a ladder on, bro, always make sure you're leaning in towards the inside when you're putting it on. In the scaffolding industry, I've learned over the last 6 years, there are a lot of critical people out there. There are a lot of know-it-all people. I've even had guys fucking say that they can do this, that, they'll smoke me, this and that. And I'm like, just put a fucking tool belt on and see what you're made of. Bro, of cowboy workmanship, man. If that was me, bro, I fucking wouldn't do it like that. I'd run a tube along the bottom, bro, and put the cuffs underneath it, bro. Not just wire it, bro. But a lot of the too, bro, is that, you know, I come from a small town, bro, you know, where you're expected to come from nothing and you're expected to become nothing, bro. But I've got a different, you know, fucking view on things, bro. You know, and if I can help the next person, you know, I'm halfway there anyway, bro. You know, like, people will criticise you for, you know, doing well, and sometimes even your own family and friends can be the worst critics, bro. You know what I mean? Because they see you getting somewhere and they want to take it from you, bro. But you got to just learn to listen to yourself, bro, you know? Yeah, here's another, see, I'm not going to put any names to these jobs because that's code of scaffold. You just keep that to yourself, you know who it is. See, why fucking attach that, bro, to this when you can just run it straight off the hoist onto the star, bro? You get what I'm saying? This is on. So this should have been done at the top level rather than while the top, and then fucking put a, you know, a hop up fucking bracket thing, you know, on the bottom one. It's all done, bro. All he has to do on Monday is just strip that with the fuck all that supporting that wood. But there's more than fucking 4 tons, there's at least 7 tons in, at least 6, 7. Up for this jacket, bro, I'll just tell them I got it, I'll tell them this I got, but no one pays, I'm taking it home with me, bro. It's brand new fucking jacket. Yeah, you fellas probably think, fuck, what motivates this fella, he's out there killing himself every day. It's not that, bro, you know, I motivate myself, bro, because there's a reason, bro, my 2 kids, bro. There's a whole sole purpose of why I do this, bro, you know. I want to make their future better for them. Yeah, I've got to be realistic as well. You know, it doesn't mean because I can take a scaffold down quicker than most people that, you know, that I take less of a cut. If I work hard, bro, you know, that's the equal cut to the guys that charge you 4 to my 1, bro, you know. Yeah, to what I mean about yesterday, you know, like the 4 to 1 ratio, is that a lot of other guys would probably get away with charging 16, 18 hours, but you know, you got to be firm, fair and honest, you know, and be legit with your charges.